look like Mavic Air 2, mini Mavic Air 2. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. This is Ilonggigi. What I have here guys, let's open it. Alright. Let's see what is this. Alright, very cute bag. Let's open. Oh, what is this? This mini drone guys. Look at that. Here's the controller. It's a budget drone. It's a budget mini drone. Comes with manual, extra propeller, C connector, and small screwdriver. Extra battery. Guys, this mini drone is a budget drone. Look at that. It's like affordable drone. Right. Similar to Mavic Mini. Let's take this out. It's a budget drone. Look at the camera. It's a 1080p camera. Here's an optical flow sensor. It's a battery. Battery can last up to 20 minutes flight time. Here's the controller. Similar to DJI, but the only color is gray. I have this DJI here, DJI Mavic Mini. Let's see, compare it. Alright. Oh. This one is like a little bit thinner and longer compared to Mavic Mini SE. Look at that guy. See the battery. There's no battery. Nothing in the battery. Need to charge. Look at that. It's good for the gift for the kids. It's a budget mini drone. The controller, very basic. Look at got that. Okay, let's turn the drone. All right, and turn the controller. All right, let's turn the app. Gonna find connect to the Wi-Fi. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi, guys. Settings. Here we connected. All right, connected. Gonna put it here. This thing here is not really antenna. It's just like for display, but it's not really antenna because there's no wire on it. Just a display button. Let's see. All right. Let's do compass calibration, guys. See this slide? It means you need to turn horizontally. This is how do you do compass calibration. You hear that sound, and then vertically. All right, we're done. We're done, guys. It look like Mavic Air, Mavic Air 2. Let's go to the app. Let's see the app. This is the app. RX drone. All right, guys. Here. Let's play. All right. See the camera. Here, a camera. It's mean we're connected. All right. Arm it. Let's move a little bit. All right, guys. I'm going to arm it. I think we're connected to a GPS satellite. Let's see how many GPS satellite. Let's see. All right. All right, guys. It's right there. Up. Let's do it again. Submit. It looks like Mavic Air 2. Mini Mavic Air 2. This is mini drone. YLRC. Mini drone. It's 180-gram drone, including the battery. Could last up to 25 minutes flight time. Right now it's a good weather, so it's good to fly. This is the remote right there. That's a 4K camera, but I don't think it's a 4K camera. Maybe it's like 1080p camera. Look at that, guys. It's very stable. But before you fly this drone, you have to calibrate. You have to calibrate and orient the drone, because if you don't do calibration, the drone will do circle and do toilet bowling. You have to aware of that. And when you fly it, you have to be in the open field like this one. So if the drone would do circle, you have time to land the drone and or fly the drone near you, not too far and not too high. Make sure you don't lose the drone and you don't crash the drone. Right now, a while ago when I tried to fly it, it's kind of circling, but I was able to handle the drone. because I fly so many different drones, so I was able to control it and make it steady like this. See? And right now I connected this drone to a GPS satellite. This is a GPS satellite drone. Right now it's pretty stable. This is the YLRC tiny mini drone that look like a Mavic Air. Look at that. And it has a good like a basic camera, but there's no gimbal on it. It does have pretty good app. See, the app have a map. Look at that. It's not a good drone. Look at that, guy. It's very stable, but there's some kind of problem when you first fly because the drone do circle. The drone would do like toilet bowling, but once it's recognized the geometric, and the drone becomes stable. Look at that. Right now, this drone is very stable. Alright guys, this is what it looked like when you fold the drone. Look at that. Look like Mavic Air. Mavic Air 2, small one. The baby Mavic Air 2. There's a camera, but there's no gimbal. But you can use the remote control to turn on uh, down and up. This side here. You point it up the camera and you point it down. Right now I cannot use my controller because I lose the battery. I put a used battery, so I use this app. I use the app to control the drone. Here's guys, there's an app called RX drone. It's right there, and does have Google Map on it. There's a pinpoint RTC return to home capabilities on this drone. See that the app. This is when you unfold it, guys. It's very light drone. It's 180 grams. 183 grams drone, including the battery. And I think it's only lasts 18 minutes flight time. The company said it's 20 to 21 minutes. I flew just now, it's like maybe 15 minutes only. It's fully charged battery. Look at that guy. And this I don't know, look like optical flow sensor, but it's not really optical flow sensor. It's just like a design thing there, but it's not really working as optical flow sensor, because when I try to fly it, it try to go circle. It's like it's not in the orientation. So when I calibrate it, it becomes stable. It does a circle and to do toilet bowling a little bit. But when I touch the controller, try to stable it, I was able to manage to control it, not to crash or hit the ground. Basically, like Mavic Air, but it's very light. It's plastic. It's just good for gift for the kids. And look at the controller, very basic. It's $100 drone, guys. Two batteries. I got it, and not even $100. I got it for $98. Two batteries. And here's the battery. Lithium ion battery. It lasts only 15 minutes, guys. I thought it would last at least 20 minutes, the company said, but it's not. It's only 15 minutes. Alright, guys, that's all about it. If you're interested on this drone, to buy it, and I got it from Banggood. I mean, TamTap. I thought it's a big drone, but when it arrived, it's like very small. Just like a Mavic Mini. This is the Mini SE. Like that. Let's have a good, nice looking on the front. Guys. Guys, if you're interested on this drone, to a gift for a child or your friend, I'm gonna put the link. I'm gonna put the link down below, so you could get it. Right now, this drone is very basic drone, very light. It's 183 gram, not like this one is at 249 drone. Alright, guys.